Welcome to Intech Education TV. Here are 40 possible Jamb utme biology questions with answers to help you prepare effectively for 2025. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video, YouTube will send you notification. First question: what is the basic unit of life? A. Tissue. B. Organ. C. Cell. D. Organ system. The answer is C, which is cell. Question number 2. Which of the following is a prokaryote? A. Algae. B. Virus. C. Bacteria. D. Amoeba. The answer is C, which is bacteria. So if you are getting any value from this video, kindly like and subscribe. Question number 3. The part of a plant cell that controls its activities. The part of plant cell that controls its activities is the A. Chloroplast, B. Nucleus, C. Cell membrane, D. Vacuole. The answer is nucleus. Question number 4. The function of the mitochondrion is photosynthesis. A. B. Protein synthesis. C. Energy production. D. Digestion. The answer is C, which is energy production. Question number 5. Which organelle is responsible for photosynthesis? A. Chloroplast, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondrion, D. Golgi body. The answer is chloroplast. Question number 6. The movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane is called dash. A. Diffusion, B. Osmosis, C. Active transport, D. Transpiration. The answer is B, which is osmosis. Question number 7. The part of the leaf where most photosynthesis occur is the dash. A. Epidermis, B. Palisade mesophyll, C. Spongy mesophyll, D. Stomata. So question number 8. What is the function of the xylem in plants? A. Transport of food, B. Transport of water and minerals, C. Storage of nutrients, D. Support. The answer is B, the transport of water and minerals. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a carbohydrate? A. Glucose, B. Starch, C. Cellulose, D. Protein. The answer is D, which is protein. Question number 10. The functional units of kidney is the A. Alveolus, B. Nephron, C. Vilus, D. Tubule. The answer is B, which is nephron. Question number 11. Which process involves the intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide in a living organism? A. Photosynthesis, B. Transpiration, C. Respiration, D. Excretion. The answer is C, which is respiration. Question number 12. The type of joint found in the human elbow is A. Ball and socket joint, B. Hinge joint, C. Pivot joint, D. saddle joint. The answer is B, which is hinge joint. Question number 13. What is the main role of the liver in the human body? A. Digestion of carbohydrates, B. Detoxification of harmful substance, C. Absorption of nutrients, D. Regulation of body temperature. The answer is B, which is detoxification of harmful substances. Question number 14. Which hormones regulates the blood sugar level? A. Adrenaline, B. Insulin, C. Estrogen, D. Thyroxine. The answer is B, which is insulin. Question number 15. What is the mode of nutrition in fungi? A. Autotrophic, B. Heterotrophic, C. Chemosynthetic, D. Parasitic. The answer is heterotrophic, which is B. Question number 16. Which of the following is responsible for the transport of oxygen in the blood? A. White blood cells, B. Platelets, C. Plasma, D. Hemoglobin. The answer is D, which is hemoglobin. Question number 17. What is the structural and functional units of the nervous system? A. Brain, B. Nerve, C. Spinal cord, D. Neuron. The answer is D, which is neuron. Question number 18. Which of the following diseases is caused by a deficiency of vitamin D? A. Scurvy, B. Rickets, C. Beriberi, D. Pellagra. The answer is B, which is rickets. Question number 19. What is the term for animals that give birth to live young ones? A. Oviparous, B. Viviparous, C. Hermaphroditic. Question number 20. The part of the brain responsible for balance and coordination is the dash A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, B. Hypothalamus. The answer is cerebrum. Question number 21. Which structure in the body helps prevent food from entering the trachea? A. Epiglottis, B. Pharynx, C. Larynx, D. Esophagus. Question number 22. The largest organ in the human body is the dash A. Liver, B. Skin, C. Kidney, D. Heart. The answer is skin. Question number 23. What is the role of enzymes in the body? A. Structural support, B. Speed of chemical reaction, C. Transport nutrients, D. Store energy. The answer is B. The speed of chemical reactions. Question number 24. What is the main nitrogenous waste excreted by humans? A. Ammonia, B. Urea, C. Uric acid, then creatinine. The answer is B, which is urea. Question number 25. The process by which green plants make their food is called A. Respiration, B. Photosynthesis, C. Transpiration, D. Fermentation. The answer is photosynthesis, which is B. Question number 26. What is the scientific study of insects called? A. Zoology, B. Entomology, C. Ecology, D. Botany. The answer is entomology. If you're interested in studying entomology, keep put it in the comment, and anything related to entomology, put it in the comment. Question number 27. Which part of the flower produces pollen? A. Ovary, B. Petal, C. Stigma, D. Anther. The answer is D, which is anther. Question number 28. In a food chain, primary consumers are usually A. Carnivorous, B. Herbivorous, C. Omnivorous, D. Decomposers. Question number 29. What is the role of gas cells in plants? A. Water absorption, B. Gas exchange, C. Photosynthesis, D. Food transport. The answer is gas exchange. That's B. Question number 30. What is the primary function of the large intestine? A. Absorption of nutrients, B. Absorption of water, C. Secretion of enzymes, D. Digestion of food. The answer is B. Absorption of water. Question number 31. The primary nitrogenous waste excreted by bird is A. Urea, B. Uric acid, C. Ammonia, D. Creatinine. The answer is uric acid. That's B. Question number 32. The cell wall of plant cells is made up of A. Starch, B. Cellulose, C. Protein, D. Lipids. The answer is B, which is cellulose. Question number 33. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Methane. The answer is A, which is oxygen. Question number 34. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A, B, C, AB, D, O. The answer is D, which is blood group O. Question number 35. What is the smallest blood vessel in human body? A. Artery, B. Vein, C. Capillary, D. Lymphatic vessel. The answer is C, which is capillary. Question number 36. Which organ in the body produces bile? A. Stomach, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Gallbladder. The answer is B, which is liver. Question number 37. What is the term for organism that feeds on dead organic matter? A. Parasites, B. Scavengers, C. Saprophytes, D. Autotrophs. The answer is saprophytes. That's C. Question number 30. The study of interaction between organisms and their environment is called A. Zoology, B. Ecology, C. Botany, D. Genetics. The answer is ecology. That's B. The last, okay, we're on question number 39 right now. Which process helps maintain the shape of plant cell? A. To-go pressure, B. Osmosis, C. Diffusion, D. Respiration. The answer is to-go pressure, which is option A. Then the last question, that's question number 40. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Chloroplast, D. Mitochondria. So the answer is mitochondria. So like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. The video will repeat itself now. Crcoohd, the answer is B, which is RCOR. And alkanons are also called ketones. They have the general formula RCOR. Question number 2. The constituents common to duralumin and alcohol is A. Cobalt, B. Manganese, C. Aluminium, D. Magnesium. The answer is C, which is aluminium. The constituents of duralumin are aluminium, copper, manganese, and magnesium. And then the constituents of alnico are aluminium, nickel, and cobalt. So if you are getting any value from this video and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, like and subscribe this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video like this, you get notification. Question number 3. The shape of the x orbital is A. Elliptical, B. Spiral, C. Circular, D. Spherical. The answer is spherical, which is D. Question number 4. Aluminium hydroxide is used in the dyeing industry as A. Dye, B. Dispersant, C. Salt, D. Mordant. The answer is D, which is mordant. Aluminium hydroxide is used as a mordant in the dyeing industry. Question number 5. The tincture of iodine means iodine dissolved in A. Ethanol, B. Bromine chloride, C. Chlorine water, D. Water. The answer is A, which is ethanol. Tincture solutions are the features by the presence of alcohol. Thus, tincture solutions are also known as weak iodine. Question number 6. Temporary hard water is formed when rainwater containing dissolved carbon dioxide flows over deposit of calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate, C. Sodium sulfite, D. Calcium sulfite. The answer is A, which is calcium carbonate. Question number 7. The process that occurs when two equivalent forms of a compound are in equilibrium is A. Isotopy, B. Resonance, C. Isomerism, D. Reforming. The answer is B, which is resonance. Resonance process involves two forms of a compound. Question number 8. In the laboratory preparation of ethyl ethanol, the water present in the mixture is removed using A. Anhydrous calcium chloride, B. Concentrated sodium carbonate, C. Sodium hydroxide, D. Concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid H2SO4. The answer is A, which is anhydrous calcium chloride. Question number 9. The constituents of air necessary in the roasting process are A. Oxygen gas and water, that's H2O, B. Argon and carbon dioxide, C. Carbon dioxide and water, D. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. The answer is A, which is oxygen and water. Question number 10. An isomer of C5H12 is A. 2-ethylbutane, B. Butane, C. 2-methylbutane, D. 2-methylpropane. The answer is C, which is 2-methylbutane. And if you look at 2-methylbutane, he has 5 carbons and the number of hydrogen is 12, which is equivalent to what is here, because here, if you look at here, we have C5 and H12, and that means he has 5 carbons, which is equivalent to the one here, and also hydrogen 2 is also 12, which is equivalent. So question number 11. The salt formed from a weak acid and a strong base hydrolysis in water to form A. Saturated solution, B. An acidic solution, C. A buffer solution, D. An alkaline solution. The answer is D, which is an alkaline solution. Question number 12. The ideal gas laws and equations are true for all gases at A. Low pressures and lower temperatures, B. Low temperatures and high pressures, C. High pressures and high temperatures, D. Low pressure and high temperatures. The answer is A. Okay, sorry, the answer is D. Low pressure and high temperatures. Question number 13. When change in heat is negative, a reaction is said to be A. Endothermic, B. Exothermic, C. Reversible, D. Ionic. The answer is B, which is exothermic. Question number 14. The shape of ammonia molecules is A. Trigonal planar, B. Octahedral, C. Square planar, D. Tetrahedral. The answer is A, which is trigonal, because if you look at it, ammonia has the formula of NH3 and the hydrogen is 3, and if it's 3, that means you have 3 sides, and the 3 sides means it's in form of a triangle, which is trigonal planar. Question number 15. Tin is unaffected by air at ordinary temperature due to its A. Low melting point, B. Weak electropositive character, C. High boiling point, D. Wide lustrous appearance. The answer is A, which is low melting point. So tin has a melting point of 232 degrees. This enables it not to be affected by air at ordinary temperature, together with the fact that it also helps in making a good metal for alloying. Question number 16. The reaction of the halogens with alkanes in the presence of sunlight is an example of A. Oxidation reaction, B. Addition reaction, C. Hydrogenation reaction, D. Substitution reaction. The answer is D, which is substitution reaction. Alkane undergoes substitution reaction, and it is also an example of halogenation substitution reaction. So if you are getting value from this video, like and subscribe this video, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload video, YouTube will send you notification, or our other platform in which we are uploading this video on will send you notification. Question number 17. The enzyme used in the hydrolysis of starch to dextrin and maltose is A. lipase, B. amylase, C. invertase, D. zymes. The answer is B, which is amylase. Question number 18. The alkyl group is represented by the general formula CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2, CnH2n plus 1, D CnH2n plus 2. If you look at alkyl, it's gotten by minusing 1 from alkane. So that's going to be CnH2n plus 1, because if the 1 is removed from these 2, here will be 1. Okay, so that means this is the right answer, which is C. Question number 18. According to Charles' law, the volume of a gas becomes 0 at minus 100 degrees centigrade, B minus 273 degrees centigrade, C minus 373 degrees centigrade, and D 0 degrees centigrade. The answer is B, which is minus 273 degrees centigrade, because you have to do the conversion to Kelvin, which is minus 273 degrees centigrade. Then you do the conversion, that's plus 273 degrees centigrade, which is equals to 0 Kelvin. At 0 Kelvin, volume of a gas becomes 0. Question number 20. The gas that can be collected by downward displacement of air is A. Chlorine, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. Carbon dioxide, and then D. Ammonia. So see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Answer is ammonia. So these are Jamb questions. The first question here, and the Jamb questions are on physics. The first question here: an Air Force jet flying with a speed of 335 meter per second went past an anti-aircraft gun. How far is the aircraft 5 seconds later when the gun was fired? So the answer to that question is D. That's distance covered is equal to speed times time. Normally speed is equal to distance covered all over time. But since it's a distance we are looking for, then we are going to make distance the subject. And after making distance the subject, then we make substitution for speed, which is 335, and the time is 5 seconds. And after multiplying, we are going to have 1600 and okay, is 1675 meters. That's the answer is D. Question number 2. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters tall. How long does it take to reach the ground? Taking acceleration due to gravity, that's G, is equals to 10 meters per square. The first option here is 9 seconds, B 4.5 seconds, C 6 seconds, D 7.5 seconds, and E 3 seconds. The answer is E, using the equation of motion. Thus, S is equals to ut plus 1 all over 2 at square. From there, you know that that's the distance there, which is 45. And then here from the equation, our initial velocity is 0. Then you multiply it by what? By the t plus 1 all over 2, which is the same thing here, times our acceleration due to gravity, which was given as 10. You substitute it, write it here, and then t squared, because it's the time we are looking for. So from there, we are going to have what? That 45 is equals to 0 times t is 0. That means we don't have anything here. Plus 1 all over 2 times 10. That means half of 10 is 5. So we are going to have 5t squared. So after having 5t squared, then that means 5t squared is equals to this 45. So from there, divide both sides by 5. After dividing both sides by 5, we are going to have our t squared is equals to 9, because 45 divided by 5 is 9. Then squaring both sides. After taking square of both sides, our t is equals to 3 seconds. That's why our answer is E. An ice cube floats in a glass of water filled to the brim. What happens when the ice melts? The water level remains the same. There is a drop in the level of water in the glass due to condensation on its outside. C. The water in the glass overflows. D. The level of water drops because melted ice occupies less volume. E. None of the above is correct. The answer is A. So question number 4. A machine gun with a mass of 5 kilograms fires a 50 grams bullet at speed of 100 meters per second. The recoil speed of the machine gun is A 0.5 meter per second, B 1.5 meter per second, C 1 meter per second, D 2 meter per second, E 4 meter per second. The answer is C. Gun momentum is equal to bullet momentum. After making the substitution, we are going to have 5 times V is equals to 0.05 times 100. And if you multiply 0.05 times 100, that means you have 5 there. And then divide both sides by 5. That 5 attached to V. So if you divide both sides by 5 5 attached to V will be cancel each other. And then 5 divided by 5 is 1. So that's how we got this one. That's 1 meter per, supposed to be 1 meter per square since its velocity. So sorry, please take note of this. It's supposed to be meter per square. Here it's supposed to be 2, not 1. Question number 5. Mercury is a better barometric fluid than water because I that's one, it needs no chlorine. Two, its density is many times greater than that of water. Three, it does not weight glass. Four, it has a high vapor pressure. Five, it has a high boiling point. Which of the above statements are true? A, that's one and two. B, one, two, three only. C, three and four only. D, four and five only. E, three, four, and five only. So the answer is B, which is one, two, and three only. Question number 6. To determine the weight of an object, you could use A. Use a beam balance. B. Use a spring balance. C. Find the force necessary. D. Use none of these methods. E. Use any of these methods. The answer is B, which is use a spring balance. Question number 7. The density of a solid is defined as the dash A. Mass of the solid compared to the mass of an equal volume of water. B. Amount of water displaced when a unit mass of the solid is immersed in it. C. Weight per unit volume of the solid. D. Volume per unit mass of the solid. E. Mass per unit volume of the solid. So the answer is E. That's mass per unit volume of the solid. So if you are getting any value from this video, like and subscribe this video, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload the video, like the YouTube will send you notification. Question number 8. A few grains of table salt were put in a cup of water, kept at constant temperature, and left on the stove. Eventually, all the water tasted salty. The action is due to A. Convection, B. Osmosis, C. Capillarity, D. Diffusion, E. Conductivity. The answer is D, which is diffusion. Question number 9. The latent heat of fusion of ice is 80 calorie per grams. How much heat is required to change 10 grams of ice at 10 degrees centigrade into water at the same temperature? A. 10 calories. A. 80 calories. B. 10 calories. C. 8 calories. D. 800 cal. And E. 400 cal. The answer is D. That's quantity of heat is equals to ml. That's mass times latent heat, which is going to be the mass is 10 grams times 80, which is going to give us 800 calories. Question number 10. The heat from the sun reaches the earth by the process A. Insulation, B. Precipitation, C. Conduction, D. Convection, E. Radiation. The answer is E, which is radiation. Question number 11. Three 5 ohms resistors connected in parallel have a potential difference of 60 volts applied across the combination. The current in each resistor is A. 4 ampere, B. 36 amps, C. 12 amps, D. 24 amps, E. 10 amps. The answer is C. Since they are connected in parallel, that means they will have the same voltage across, which is I1 is same thing as I2 and I2 is same thing as I3. So I1 is equals to V all over R1. And if you know, from the question, the V is 60, then all over the R, which is 5, and 60 divided by 5 is 12 amperes. Question number 12. If NEPA charges 5,000 naira, okay, 5,000 per kilowatts hour, what is the cost of operating for 24 hours? A lamp requires 1 arm on a 200 volts line. A. 24 kobo. B. Okay, first let me read the question again. If NEPA charges 5 kobo, that one is 5 kobo, not 5,000, sorry. So it's 5 kobo. If NEPA charges 5 kobo per kilowatts hour, what is the cost of operating for 24 hours? A lamp requires one arm on a 200-volt line. A 24 kobo, B 55 kobo, C 40 kobo, D 26 kobo, E 32 kobo. The answer is A. Energy, that's kilowatts per hour, is the same thing as 1 times 400 times 24 times 10 raised to the power of 3. That's from the question there. So from there we are going to have 4.8 kilowatts per hour. So 1 kilowatts per hour costs 5 kobo. That means 4.8 kilowatts per hour will cost 5 times 4.8 kobo, which is equals to, which is going to give us 24 kobo. Question number 13. A magnet is moved through a coil of wire. The EMF produced in the wire depends on A. The number of turns in the coil, B. The strength of the magnet, C. The speed at which the magnet is moved, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. The answer is D. That's all of the above. Question number 14. In order to convert a galvanometer into an ammeter, A. A low resistance shunt is connected in parallel. Then B. A low resistance shunt is connected in series. C. A medium resistance shunt is connected in series. D. A high resistance shunt is connected in parallel. E. A high resistance shunt is connected in series. The answer is A. That's a low resistance shunt is connected in parallel. Question number 15. In a DC circuit, a 10 microfarad MF capacitor is placed in series with a 10 ohms resistor. The total resistance of the combination is A 10 ohms, B 1 ohms, C 0, D 20 ohms, E infinite. The answer is E, which is infinite. A capacitor has infinite resistance to DC. That's direct current. Question number 16. Why is it impossible for the lines of force of an electric field to cross one another? A. Like charges repel each other. B. A charged particle is deflected by an electric field. C. Like charges are arranged on the same line of force. D. A positively charged particle can travel in only one direction at any time. E. None of the above. Okay, none of this is correct. So the answer is D. That's a positively charged particle can travel in only one direction at any time. Question number 17. A potential difference of 6 volts is used to produce a current of 5 amps for 200 seconds through a heating coil. The heat produced is A. 4,800 calories, B. 6,000 calories, C. 2,400 joules, D. 2,400 kilocalories, and E. 6,000 joules. The answer is E. Heat energy is the same thing as electric energy. That's heat energy is equal to electric energy, which is the same thing as IVT, which is going to be 5 times 6 times 200, which is going to give us 6,000 joules. Question number 18. The electric supply from Kenji Dam is transmitted at high voltages of the order hundreds of kilovolts. but is converted to domestic use of about 220 volts by A. Commutators, B. Transistors, C. Bulbs and diodes, D. Rectifiers, E. Transformers. The answer is E, which is transformers. Question number 19. An electric charge will be transmitted through A. Wood, rubber and stone, B. Paper, clay and plastic, C. Glass, acid and clothes, D. The human body, water and metals, E. All of the above. The answer is D, that's the human body, water and metals. Question number 20. A guitar string is 75 centimeter long. The wavelength of its fundamental note is A. 75 centimeter, B. 150 centimeter, C. 37.5 centimeter, D. 112 centimeter, and E. 50 centimeter. The answer is B. And from the calculation, wavelength is equal to 2 times the length. That's going to be 2 times 75, which is equal to 150. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.